Here's the what is the box that I received. Okay. So right away I can see it's a big box, you know, that's some weight to it. I like it. I like this. A little bit hard to put in. Okay, so there it is. Wow, nice box. And there we go. The first time I'm seeing this watch. Whoop, not yet. Wow. Oh, this is nice. Wow. Okay, this is really much better than I thought. It's much better than I thought. The box and everything is really nice. Okay, first time I'm seeing this watch. Oh wow. Wow. Gee. My god. Smaller than I thought. I thought it was a little bit bigger. But it's okay. It's a good size. It's a really good size. It's not too big. Wow. Wow, the finish is really nice. The polishing, everything. I'm gonna remove all these plastics. Okay, so I removed the plastic, and yeah, it's really nice. What I noticed is really that the edges here are a little bit sharp. I mean, they're not sharp, but I mean more than I thought. But it's okay. Here we have the nice ET movement. So it's the first time, it's my first Swiss ETA movement. I mean Swiss watch ETA movement. So it's really nice. So yeah, so that was my first time seeing this watch. My first reaction. Thank you. Bye.